I'm Richard Fisher. I'm President and CEO of the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas, one of the 12 Federal Reserve banks in the United States that operate the payment system of our country. Well, one of our advantages in Texas is we have a state legislature under both Democrats and Republicans. This isn't a partisan matter, that have been pro-business, that have been minimal in their regulatory influence on our society. The banking system, which is my and my colleagues' responsibility as a monetary authority, is flush with liquidity. We have trillions of dollars sitting fallow in the banks in the United States, and of course in Texas banks as well. Outside the banking system, we have several trillion dollars that are sitting on businesses' balance sheets. They're uncertain about the future. They're not going to use it to hire and expand until they get better clarity. One of the reasons Texas has outperformed is because our government sends us the right signals: pro-business mentality and limited interference. The federal government is a huge influence on Texans as well as everybody else. And nobody knows really, presently, what taxes are going to be in the next Congress or in a lame duck period. Going forward, they don't know what their tax rate's going to be. They don't know how the federal government's going to spend money, how it'll be distributed and impact their customer base or themselves. So if you're a businesswoman trying to make a decision, let's say you're running a small business of 12 or 30 employees or 100 employees or a big business, you have no idea what your costs are going to be. And until you get that clarity, you're unlikely to expand. Why would you hire somebody unless you were confident that you knew what it was going to cost you? And by the way, unless you were confident that the rest of the world was going to have demand for your product or service that you're creating. And right now, the rest of the world doesn't look very good. We're the shining star within the United States, which is the shining star in the rest of the world.